Hi, I'm Dylan Graves, and I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie treats in your college dorm room using a microwave. Before we get started though, we're going to need a couple of things. First, we're going to need a bowl to mix with, a tray to put the completed product into, marshmallows, a stick of butter, something to cut with, something to mix with, something to measure with, and last but not least, Kellogg's Rice Krispies. So now I'm going to get started and show you the steps involved in order to make Rice Krispie treats. So first, we're going to cut half a stick of butter. Next, we're going to put it into the bowl. Next, we're going to need 3 cups of marshmallows. Now let's put it in the microwave. Heat it up for 2 minutes. Now we take it out, mix it, put it back in for another minute, now that everything's cooked, we're going to put 6 cups of Rice Krispies into the mixture. Now that everything's put into the bowl, our next step is to mix it. Now that everything's mixed, the last step is to put everything in the pan to cool. Now that everything's in the pan, once it's done cooling down, enjoy.